Here are 3 hidden features inside your car that you probably had no idea existed. Feature number 1, the gas gauge arrow. If you ever rent a car or borrow a friend's car, you don't need to guess which side the gas tank is on. Look closely at the little gas pump icon on the dashboard. There is a tiny arrow next to it that points directly to the side of the car where the gas cap is located. Feature number 2, the rearview mirror tab. You know that little plastic tab hanging under your rearview mirror? It's not for hanging air fresheners. If a massive truck is blinding you with its high beams from behind at night, pull that tab toward you. It physically tilts the glass inside the mirror, completely dimming the blinding lights while still letting you see behind you. Feature number 3, the key fob trick. If your car has been baking in the hot sun all day, don't just get inside. On almost every modern car fob, if you press the unlock button once and then press and hold it a second time, it will automatically roll down every single window in the car to let the hot air escape before you get in. Let me know if your car can do the window trick and subscribe for more everyday hacks.